Hey everyone, 4 o'clock in the morning, beautiful morning in Orlando, Florida. I am at All Star Music and I am headed to Hollywood Studios for the Galaxy's Edge opening. We'll see if we get in. I'm gonna call a lift, get over there and see what's going on. So stay tuned and we'll give you updates on what's happening. Okay, just got to Hollywood Studios. My Lyft driver was great and security doesn't look too bad, so let's go in and check it out. Okay, here's what it looks like. Just got in the park. Just a wall of people, sea of people. Pretty exciting. They are walking us back now, so it's just a sea of people headed back to Galaxy's Edge. We're right by the Sci-Fi. Baseline Tap House, almost in. We're right by the Sci-Fi. Baseline Tap House, almost in. Just look what the crowd looks like. Almost there. This is the entrance right here. We are in. All right, we're in. We're officially in Galaxy's Edge. So it is packed to the gills.
Let's go back.
I don't know. I mean, we can try to go get on the ride, but I don't see that being a thing. It's going to be like a 4-hour wait. If we don't get on the ride today, I will survive my life.
Oh no, there was
Pretty neat in here.
Not 4 hours.
I don't feel like you're in Florida at all.
We see we can walk the shore. Oh my gosh,
you're making out any of this because it is still 4:45 in the morning, but this place is spectacular. Okay, I'm in, and I am going to upload my first video, so please like, subscribe, and I'll have more video of the park during the day. So this might be a good place to end this video. So again, hit that like button, please subscribe, and I'll have more videos from Galaxy's Edge during the day.